Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. All right, it's Friday. It started and it's Friday already. So let's start the show. How are we doing right now? It seems like we have some pound news. I have a trade running currently. Where is it? No, not here. Not here. Oh, here. Okay. So I have this one. Already took partial here. On this trade. Right there. And I'm just looking if I can put this to break even. Maybe not. All right, I'm gonna leave it here for now since I took partial. Anyway, Daniel, good morning, and D, good morning. What's going on? I gotta look what's happening at 311 there. There's a bearish order block. No, there's none. Let's check some levels. I'm gonna continue higher. There's a 5-minute fair value gap here. Right here. 5-minute CB. Right there. Good morning, Naomi. Hello, Naomi. Good to see you. And I think it might go higher. So anyway, so far my final TP would be somewhere there if it gets to that 5-minute order block, which doesn't really, it's not really a perfect order block, that's for sure, but no problem. I might gonna move my stop a little bit. I'm not sure. Anyway, YM is going higher. I missed the gold trade. There was a possible gold entry that I missed, but other than that, it's all good. All good. All right. Sorry, I'm still a little bit slow. Let's check the charts on TradingView. 15-minute. Yeah, so the first level would be at 340, which is a 15-minute CB as well for possible target. I'm going to break that to buy side liquidity. And maybe we could also say, well, the Asia high would be technically up there at 436, but not sure. Asia low is definitely 203. So that's what I'm going to go with anyways. As for Asia high, I'm not sure. Here was the 8 p.m. So if this is Asia high, which it could have been, well, it just got taken out, right? If we go with the 8 p.m. Asia high, then this one was Asia high. 300. Anyway. Yeah, I'm having my coffee too. Farhad, good morning. So if this was Asia high and it's going to turn around here, then my trade is not going to look good. But again, that's why I took partial. Yeah, I'm going to leave the stop there. If it goes below 79, it's turning around anyway. Yeah. I wish I would have taken the gold trade. But it is what it is. Otherwise, I don't see anything. What kind of news we have in the European session? We have nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The next major news is going to be Canadian retail sales and US Core PCA price index and revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. That's all. So nothing else major in the London session. So let's stay with that. As for gold, well, as I told you, I really wanted to get into the action, but somehow I missed it. Long entry somewhere around 26.15, 14 area. And it seems like we just got into a nice fair value gap here on the 1 hour. But you know what? I could imagine this one going for 26.41. You know. Yo, Notae, what's up? Good morning. Anyway, back to NQ. First, let's just say valid. Oh my god, we're in a 1 hour gap. Totally forget that. Okay, never mind. My trade is totally into the dumpster now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm moving my stop a little bit. We just got into a 1 hour gap, so and we took out Asia, technically Asia high. We could see a turnaround here. Okay, what else? Nothing more. Nothing more. One 80. Yeah, I would like to see this at least try to break the highs again. That would be really great. Then maybe I could put this to break even. I'm expecting a package, by the way, any second at the doorstep. So I might have to leave you guys for a minute. No, not like that, Tron. Just for a minute, I have to pick up the package. I already got the message from the courier that he's on the way. Almost here. Okay, let's see what's going on. Going sideways. Nothing special here on the news right now. Yokozuna, good morning, and Jacques, good morning. Mr. Livermore, hey there. What's going on? What's going on? I'm just watching price here and trying to figure out what to do. I feel a bit of a FOMO about the gold trade. I really wanted to catch it, you know, to go into this fair value gap, but I missed it. Anyway. But the NQ trade, as again, at least I took some partial here. So if it spikes down, it's okay. Man, I'm at work. I came here just to say for you to buy Euro Yen. Really? Oh, I got out from this one. Euro Yen. What is happening? I don't even have it on. Euro Yen. I got taken out from the Euro Yen. Okay. I don't even remember when I traded this one last time. But yeah, looks like pulling back. Pulling back. It was perfect time for the Plunger Boy. If you read that book. I was to trade during the plunge. I wasn't trading it. I wasn't trading the FOMC evening. Bowser, what's up? Hey, Izzle boy. If anyone asks you about TradeSync, I wouldn't recommend it until they are more advanced. Oh. ATM strategies don't copy over and took a huge loss. Okay, thank you for the info. That's good to know. That's good to know. Stop loss. No stop loss. That's how you do it, you know. The big bowlers. Alex, good morning. Good to see you, Alex. Just a second. Here comes the package. Just a second. I am back. I'm sorry, everyone. What's happening? Past MyFundedFutures starter with best code. Thank you for using it, and congratulations, Dilzik. Congratulations. Good morning, Red. I'm here. I just had to pick up a package and I had to make a phone call, but I'm here. I'm a godfather to a nice little kid, and he's only 9 years old, and I bought a backpack for him for Christmas, and it got delivered this morning. God's son, I can say that. So an awesome backpack, a Nike backpack. He wanted it for school. Hey Michael, good morning. So it just got delivered. All right. So far, NQ spiked lower, picked up some liquidity down here. Look at the 5-minute, by the way. Right in this area. Here. Now this is the 5-minute. Immediate reaction gives me the feeling that it might want to try to push it all the way up, but well, who knows. I'm getting ready for the next trade, you know. A lot of pips on deck, buys here. Let's go. It's still not my entry currently, but if you guys are buying, then go for it, I say. I'm also looking at gold. I'm curious what's going to happen with gold, but so far nothing. So this morning I had one trade, took partials, but eventually got back to me. I made $28 on that trade, which is awesome. It's gonna be a slow grind, I see that. Finally home, just in time to buy Euro Yen. What's the big deal with Euro Yen? You're too late. Look at that. Euro Yen already took off. I'm sorry. Euro Yen already took off. But no, it's still okay. It's still okay. The higher time frame, sorry. Yeah. I'm pretty much stuck down here. Oh, okay. Okay. The 1 hour looks much better. Much better. The 4 hour even better. Ooh. Look at this. Okay. Okay. I understand now. I see it now. Long. Okay. You had analysis. I wish I could join you, but I'm pretty much married to NQ and gold right now, and I just don't want to mess up the risk management process. You know, if I would add one more market to trade on, I would be messing up my risk process here. But hey, good luck with it. It actually looks good. It's for long term. Yeah. I might going to start a CFD prop firm account next year for swing trading, actually. So I'm looking into swing trading. It would be gold and maybe NES 100, but I'm not sure about the CFD contracts. So I told this many times to you guys in the past couple of months. I might pick up one Forex prop firm account somewhere. It's most likely going to be the Fivers, I think. But I don't know. Good morning, Marco. Top 1 trader. CRD preference still 2 steps. Well, some of them offer 1-step evaluation. Some of them are, I mean, many of them are still 2-step phases. I think I want to go with the 1-step evaluation. I don't really think I want to go with 2-step. I'm pretty much wired to the 1-step thing, and I don't want to risk too much. So 1-step evaluation is good for me. So low risk, you know. Big prop, long time, top 1 trader. Okay. 1-step, 2-step, and insta funding. 1-step evaluation, I think, is what I'm gonna go for. But it's personal preference, obviously, because I'm risking very, you know, I'm taking very low risks, so 1-step is okay for me. I'm still watching NQ for a possible re-entry to go long. Just saying. Don't look, Yan. You know I'm gonna look at it. You know I'm gonna peek at it. All right, it's going nice. I hope you are sitting in it. 0 drawdown. Let's go. Let's go. You know, that's how the pros are doing analysis. You just nailed it. I promised you guys yesterday that I'm going to do a giveaway, right? I know I promised to you guys. And promise is best to be kept. So I'm gonna do a $50 giveaway in this stream. Let me set it up. So what you can do is you can start with the tomsabo, Bulenox. What else can you buy on it? Apex, no sale right now. Anyway. It has started. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, !cash. We're gonna pick the winner sometime around London Open. Let's go, everyone. And I'm gonna do giveaway on Monday too, and maybe Tuesday as well. So giveaways every day, okay? Hey Supham, hey everyone. So giveaways until Christmas. Not sure if I'm gonna stream on Tuesday, but maybe, you know, the London morning there. I think London session is gonna be still on. I mean, the markets are gonna be open on Tuesday morning, right? They should be. So I think I'm gonna stream on Tuesday morning. Why not? You know, basically I'm ready up with everything with the Christmas preparations. So I have time to. For me, it's just gonna be a regular morning. So basically, I can do a Christmas London session, and maybe even a New York session. I don't know. I don't know. That's gonna be Christmas Eve for me, so I should not be streaming. To buy more euro yen. Let's go. Yeah, that's Christmas Eve, but for me, it's gonna be in the morning, so I will still have time until the evening. Thanks for all the viewers. Really appreciate that. Since Papa Powell canceled Christmas, right? Giveaways every day. Yeah. Well, I'm not in the position to give away hundreds of dollars per stream, but definitely I'm doing my best, and you know, giveaways every day until Christmas, and there's still let's just say a surprise for Christmas, maybe in terms of a giveaway, but I don't want to say anything more about it. But we'll see. We'll see, okay? We'll see. Drink wine and stream. Yeah, I was thinking about that, but the problem we have to visit family on Christmas Eve as well, so I have to drive. Otherwise, I would drink some wine with you guys on the stream. Anyway, we're gonna pick the winner around London Open, so still have time. Hopefully the winner has PayPal or some Cash App. Okay, gold went lower, which is okay. Okay, that's 16. All right, it's kind of a nice trade there that I missed out on gold, but anyway, maybe next time. So yeah, stream PUBG. Maybe I should. Maybe I'll do something like that. How about I'll do, you know, a bit of a gaming stream. It's gonna be put into a separate playlist. I'll do a bit of a gaming stream, bit of a PUBG or something like that. You know, just to fool around. Good morning, Karsten. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So, looking forward. And if some of you guys might want to join for a PUBG squad game or whatever, that would be cool too, you know. Trader Zoltan, hello, welcome. It was like what's going on? Let me put the chat window out here. Okay. You're up for it. Okay. Hey, I'm rusty too. Michael, I am so bad. I am so bad in PUBG, so don't worry about it. I am definitely very rusty. So, but hey, you know, gotta get back to the game. No red. I tried that, but I'm not saying it's a bad game or anything. It was just like, it was so hard to get some kills, you know, because basically I'm just shooting at shields all the time. Like it's so hard to get someone. Everybody, I mean, all those shields. I'm using all my mags and ammo just to put down some shields in the game, and it's so difficult, I think, but I don't know. Awesome, Fabio. Well, you know, if we do something like that, you guys can definitely start up some games. You know, I have PUBG, I have Counter-Strike. I'm very bad in Counter-Strike. I think I have Valorant as well. Valorant, but I didn't play with that too much. 90% of the time I played PUBG, which is a horrible game, I know, but I'm in a love-hate relationship with PUBG. So I know it has too many bugs and it will never get fixed, but I still like it. All right, so we're just, you know, hovering here. NQ is still, you know, haven't decided what to do. It's just slowly it's getting higher, but go to 330. Yeah. 340. Yeah, I think so too. It has all the chance to do that. A little bit tempted to go long, by the way. Okay, I took a long. Actually, almost too much contracts, but immediately closed down. Okay, so took a long. Let me. I'm gonna take partials up at there, and final TP would be, I would go with 35. Yeah, that would be okay. 30. You know, early profit taking. All right. Let's see. Just with micros, you know, as I always do. Turtle Trader. Cedric, good morning. Good morning, Raphael. Good thing I just sat and watched the charts yesterday as there was no clear direction. Well, oh, my mom, she's okay. Yesterday, I'm sorry I missed out the New York session. I had to buy some stuff for her, but she's doing okay. She has to rest a lot in bed, and but I had to buy some things for Christmas, some food, groceries, all that such. So I did the shopping for her yesterday. Okay, let's go make a new high and move on up there. Hold on. Where's it going? Yeah, I really wanted it to see this go up to a little bit higher. Anyway, enter the giveaway, everybody. Giveaways until Christmas. How are we doing? We have only 25 tickets enter the giveaway. Only 25 tickets yet, so odds are good. Exclamation mark cash. You know. Oh no. Oh no. It's not looking good. We're gonna pick the winner sometime around London Open. Man, what a reprice here. I'm actually thinking to close this trade. It doesn't look good. I'm actually going to move my stop right there, because if it trades below there, I think it's just gonna make some new lows. So just reducing the risk. Yeah. Buy bottoms, not middle. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But it's so hard to pick the right level. What is a reprice? Repricing means, in my terms, that, for example, this is a gap here on the 2:42 a.m. 1 minute candle, and there was no candle after that since now that has been, you know, repricing. So this is a buy side imbalance, but in a sell side inefficiency, which means price between 77.50 and 81.25 has not been offered to sellers. So repricing means that sell side inefficiency has been rebalanced by the price, which is pushing down there into this gap and repricing this gap, offering fair value, as ICT would say, fair value for the sellers as well. So repricing the gap and then going higher. At least this is the term that I like to go with. I know there could be different explanations, but that's what I mean by repricing this gap. And it actually didn't even finish, because repricing would mean a complete that right now. This candle completely pushing price down and took me out. Yeah, took my stop. So it completely repriced the gap and pushing lower. That's it. That is it. Small loss there. Technically, I was in profit for $28. Now I'm in a drawdown of $17. Pretty huge, I know. No, the next one is gonna be the real one. Why are you not using buy, sell, what? On chart? I'm using it. I mean, what do you mean? I entered the market order. You guys just don't see it because it's cropped. Can you show me please how to connect Bulenox and Quant Tower when you have some time? Yeah, sure. So for example, when you log into your Bulenox account, just a second, there's a dashboard. I have 2 funded accounts currently with Bulenox. And let me show you. You have your Bulenox dashboard here, right? And you have your username on your Rhythmic account right here. Okay? That's your username. And you have your password right there. Now that's what you need. And you go into your Quant Tower and you go to so here's okay, this is not this one. I have to rename this anyway. What you do is scroll down. I just didn't rename it. It still says MFutures, but never mind. You scroll down to Rhythmic username and password that is given on the dashboard, and you choose Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago area. That's what you have to choose, and that's it. Basically, you can just connect. So it's absolutely not difficult. It's actually super easy. You just have to choose Rhythmic and use the Bulenox username on the dashboard and the password, and choose Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago, and you should be okay. Obviously, first, when you're a first-time customer with Quant Tower, you have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro as well, and you have to accept the data agreement. So you definitely need to download Rhythmic Trader 2, because if you don't accept the agreement, it's not going to connect. So you download Rhythmic Trader, log in with the same credentials to Rhythmic Trader Pro, and it's going to pop up in the first window, and you have to put the check mark that you accept the data agreement. And when it's done, then you can do the same thing. I mean, log in with Quant Tower. It worked. The mistake I did was that I was using Bulenox instead. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, Rhythmic Paper Trading. Yeah. Okay. All right, so what is this? This is a 5-minute. No problem. So I'm back to break even-ish. I'm still not giving up. I'm somehow attached to that idea that it should be going up. So I'm just gonna wait and see what it does. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. For example, this candle. Okay, never mind. I'm looking for a possible turnaround. So we have 46 people in the giveaway, exclamation mark cash. Don't forget it. We're gonna pick the winner right after London Open. And we're gonna do it quick. Excuse me. I'm so sleepy. I'm telling you guys, my biggest Christmas present will be sleeping. As I told you guys yesterday, taking some Xanax, and adult diaper, and 10 hours of sleep. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, best DJ in town, what's up? Yeah, let me check. I think you should be, right? Let me look for it. I don't see your name yet, but did you type in? Oh, there you go. You have it. Okay, you have the ticket. Best DJ in town. You have your ticket. You sleeping will be our Christmas. Thank you for the honesty, Tommy Me. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support and the honesty. Now I know. Hey, MyFundedFutures, what up? Happy Friday to you too. Good morning, Pedro. Enter the giveaway! Exclamation mark cash. We're gonna close the poll after the London Open. Not the poll, damn it. Actually, it's the poll. No, it's not the poll. What's it called? Whatever. Entries. If I look at the options today compared to yesterday, it suggests more downside. Okay. Let's keep that in mind. Would it be a little bit crazy to enter long right at the London Open? But you know, guys, I'm crazy. I'm crazy, so I entered the long. Do 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 88. Okay, okay, I'm gonna take partial right there. And final. Okay, final try, since I'm at break even anyways. Okay. It might gonna take me out super fast at the open. Alright, here comes the London Open. I'm in a long. Oh, it's gonna be hilarious. Come on, NQ. Just once. I'm at break even, so basically this is my first risky move here. Yeah. I thought that we're just gonna spike up there and take some more levels, but it's not doing it. Anyway, no problem. I got too much attached to the idea. All right, so how are we doing with the tickets? So what I have been doing depends on in what terms. I mean, not what terms, but I've been trying to go along on NQ, and I think I'm just forcing it now. So if it takes me out, no problem. I'm gonna be more patient. All right, now we got the ticket 2. Awesome. We're gonna pick the winner. All right, so 54 tickets. Enter, because I'm gonna cover the screen. So once I cover the chat screen, I'm not gonna see your entries, so I cannot reopen it. I'm gonna close the entries in 3, 2, and 1. All right, closing the entries, covering the screen, and let's just pick the winner. 55 tickets. The winner of today cash giveaway is gonna be no other than the one and only, the greatest trader and supporter of the channel, who's also maybe the cousin of Michael Huddleston. I don't know. Well, let's pick it. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Supham. Congratulations for the $50 cash giveaway. Congratulations, Supham. Whoa, Joalma, you're late. I intentionally covered the screen so I don't see the chat after closing the entries. Joalma, my man. You're too late. There's gonna be a giveaway tomorrow too, just saying. Tomorrow, and not tomorrow, sorry, on Monday, Tuesday, so giveaways. Oh yeah, let's go, Sapam. Let me just put my email. Joalma, how you doing? Actually, JT, I always forget. Here's my email, Supham. Hopefully you have PayPal. Please send me your PayPal address and I'm gonna take care of it right away. JT. But there's gonna be giveaways Monday, Tuesday, yes, on Christmas Day. So we're gonna be doing, and there's gonna be a little surprise as well. Small. I'm teasing you guys now. Anyway, I'm still in this trade. I pretty much married to the idea that I want this to go long. But if it would take, oh come on, if NQ would take out those relative equal highs at 301, I would be super happy. I was coming to see how you were, and then I heard the music. Oh, you're late. I covered the screen. I told you guys I'm gonna cover the chat, so there's gonna be no interference, and start the timer. I mean, sorry, not the timer, but anyway, don't worry, everyone. Stay tuned. More giveaways next week. Oh, I was really hoping that this will go higher. It's just not doing it. It's not doing it. You talking about sleeping? Oh yeah, talking about sleeping pills. Slow grind, JT. Definitely slow grind. But I'm gonna show you guys. I'm still trying to recover. You know. Currently, these are the accounts that I'm working on. This Apex account is at 51,125. This other one is only at $600. This one is above 721, 764, 765. The Bulenox accounts are at 1,231, 1,185. Slow grind. And I'm still trying to recover from the losses from the MyFundedFutures funded accounts, which is still in drawdown. This one is almost at 700 drawdown. This one almost back to the starting balance, which is good. Oh no, this trade is going to go to the dumpster too. And I'm working on the Take Profit Trader evaluation account as well. And these are the ones I'm trying to. So if I make $100 or $200, I just take it, and it's a really slow grind. And this trade is just, man, it's not my day. It seems like it. Starting a little bit bad here. Oh man, I was really hoping for okay, there you go. I was really hoping for that it should break those highs, but it's not. Okay, anyway, I'm down $100 on this. Yeah, 110 to be exact. What can I do, right? All right. So in MyFundedFutures, after reaching the profit target, if you make $100 5 days consecutive, you are, yes, not, you don't, it doesn't have to be consecutive. You just have to make 5 times $100 and you're eligible for a payout. It's technically like a top step. So it's like a top step, but you only need $100 times 5. Yeah, December has been tough. Absolutely, JT. It was a tough month, and actually the toughest period for me was the end of November. I burned 99% of my profits, even on my funded accounts. So I had funded accounts that were around the safety threshold, so ready to build it to pay out, and I just burned those profits because I got full tilt again. So the end of November. So I started the December basically from scratch. So, and as it is, December is tough. Yeah, nothing to trade now. Yeah, your code is not. Yeah, the thing is with the codes, DL, Zazinga, and everyone, nobody's code is working with MyFundedFutures. The only way it works right now. Is if you use the ACH wire transfer. That still gives you 5% discount. MyFundedFutures leaning into the direction that they are not giving any more special discount on the affiliate codes, so nobody's code is working. The only exception, if you use Played, /ACH bank wire. That's going to give you an additional 5% from the price. But still, if you type in my code or anyone's code, that gives a little bit of a credit to the stream. But this is how they're moving on with the things. So, which is okay. So yeah, it's maybe next year they will change, but so far that's the direction MFF is taking. No more discount, only with ACH wire. And that's mostly for US clients. Yeah, so it's frustrating, but there's nothing to trade on this, unfortunately. There's nothing to trade. I mean, hopefully there will be, but sup Ham, I hope you got my message there. I mean, just send me the email and I'll send you the prize. I have to close the window. Okay, now it's good. Now it's okay. Euro yen to the moon. How you doing there? Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful there. Nicely done. I know this is not a crypto platform, but can I ask this? I bought 20 crypto coins and I thought they would remain 20 until I decide to sell them, but to my surprise, they go up. I mean, hold on, let me read the question again. I bought 20 crypto coins and I thought they will remain 20 until I decide to sell them, but to my surprise, they go up and down. Well, then somebody is hacking your wallet if the number of the coins are going up and down. I don't know. Sent you the mail? Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna check it. So I don't know which coins you bought. Oh, great. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Sophan. Let me. So if the number of your coins is changing, then you should, unfortunately, you should check your keys, or because somebody might be messing around in your wallet. Oh, it seems like Subham, it seems like that you cannot accept money through PayPal. That's what it says to me on my end. You know, if I click on send, it's just not sending. It's not sending it. It says there's an issue with the receiver's account, and you just cannot receive through PayPal. Maybe your account has been blocked or something. I'm not sure. No, I don't think I can, because I have a Rise account, but Rise is not for sending payments. It's just we must have a contract. It's not for personal transactions. And to be able for me to send through Rise, I don't know how else we can do it. Send me a crypto address. That's what I can do, maybe a little bit later, but send me an ERC20 Ethereum wallet address. That's something maybe we can do. And I'm gonna send you maybe USD coin or Ethereum, USDC or Ethereum. That's something I might be able to do. Oh, it's going down now. Are we gonna take our previous day low? What a drop. How far are we from the Asia low? Because that would be the Asia low, right? Is there a way to keep the number of coins you buy until you sell? Of course, that's the normal way. Tiny Gourmet, that's usually the normal way. I mean, just put it to your wallet and put away the keys to a secret place, or a hard maybe a pen drive or something. I mean, the number of your coins should be stable, should be steady, unless somebody is not selling those away. Look at this, it wants to take out Asia low. What a drop. Good morning, the Trading Edge. What's up? Happy new day. Oh yeah, in this wonderful world. We're in this video game together, everyone. We're in this video game together. Enter the short just for a scalp. On this 1 minute leg down here. I don't know what's up with me today. I'm actually deviated from my plan. Malo, what's up? 145. Times how much? 7. Okay. Then you should walk away, you know now. Yeah, I was making some trades here and there. Ended up $100 loss here, and now I entered a short. I had a good trade here with a small win. Where was it? And then I tried to do some other small trades, but oh man, this one is gonna take me out again. There's a small gap on the micro. I think it wants to take that. So, and I was just looking for Asia low here. What a bummer. The 1 hour. Yeah, looks like it, but it's gonna take me out. Let me look at the 1 hour here. I really wanted to see this one, you know, take some lower levels. Low 207. What was the low on the mini? 204. The micro is 203.5. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I would like to see that too. Bit of a dump after the squeeze. Patience, exactly, Michael. Patience. And you know, if it takes me out, there's always the next setup around the corner. Yeah, banks are taking profits. Opening champagne, partying. You know, that's what they're doing. Just partying. Yeah, institutional levels. Yeah. We don't have any more news. So, it would be awesome to see this take a dip. You think Santa rally will happen on this bloated market? I'm not sure. I don't think so. What's happening on the yen, Fabio? I'm gonna check it out right now. What's happening there? Jesus, it's happening. They are partying, yes. But trust me, with this sell-off, a lot of people will not have a Merry Christmas. Yeah. Well, Michael, I agree. It could be frustrating for some investors. You know what? I just took some partials there. And I'm moving my stop to break even there. All right, it's a free trade now and took partials. At least I somewhat have recovered some losses. So it's okay. If it takes the TP, then I'm gonna be in profit again. I was down negative $100, but I just wanted to take some profit here. I know I don't usually take partials, but I don't like. But anyway, you're on the 2-minute. Okay. Yeah, I mean, for example, if someone is investing money in the stock market on these highs, that's cool, but you know, maybe should be waiting for a much bigger correction and buy then. Small long on ES, let's go. So far, I have mixed feelings about this session, but we'll see how it goes. I might re-enter one more short if it takes me out and gives me a valid re-entry. Might try to target the lows once again. Excuse me. What's up with Bitcoin? Oh, it's down again. How's the hourly chart looks like? It took quite a dip from there. 108 down to 96. How's the 4-hour looks like? 92 would be the next level if it continues to go. 92, 90. Yeah, so the 90. Okay. And there's a gap at 85-ish area. If it's shifting the structure here at 92 or 90, that could turn into a bearish trend on Bitcoin, but and you know, watch this level on the daily. 49,000. Interesting. Interesting. Long on dollar yen, just waiting for a break. Yeah, it's Bitcoin is still going a little bit down. And I'm just stuck in this short, but no problem because I took partials. So no issue. No, I'm not using Binance, but if you have any kind of crypto address which supports Ethereum tokens like USDC or Ethereum, so an ERC20 wallet, then I can send maybe USDC or Ethereum to you. You know, one of those two. So it could be on Binance as well. USDC, USD coin, not USDT, USDC. USDC. It's USDC is basically supported everywhere. Coinbase, Binance, all the wallets are supporting it. So it should be okay. There you go. Nice TP there. Should be taking out the low now. I'm back to profit. Yeah. All right. Interesting. What is your criteria for this entry? Nintendo, there was nothing special as a criteria. The only thing that this was a scalp trade. It was not really a model based entry. We shifted structure here. Okay, so there was a bearish market structure shift on the 1 minute right here, and we shifted up there too, basically, but this was a nice one, this. And down close candle, previous day low, which is also Asia low, down there at what's that, 203. So as soon as we got this candle, this down close candle below the market structure with the fair value gap, I imagined in myself that this could be a continuation. This is a confirmation, so I don't want it to go back up there. You know, if price goes back up here, yeah, it can hover around in this area, but I wanted to see it go down to take out previous day low. So as soon as it, you know, bounced back into this fair value gap, I just entered the trade. I put the stop above the previous swing at 51 or 2, something like that, and that's it. The risk reward wasn't all that good, but you know, if there's a strong move like this with a nice displacement, taking a good structure here, taking out a good structure, and we have a very, very, very good draw on liquidity level, then that's a high probability that it should be breaking that level. So that was the idea behind that trade. Good morning, jó reggelt! Már senki sem mod. Mindenkit leszettem. Már nincs több mod. Zach, what up? Let it run. See the chart I sent you? You sent me? Let me check. Oh yeah, I see. Nice. Oh yeah, the channel right down there. Should be riding the trend. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Miért? Hát csak úgy, már volt egy jó pár mód, aztán mondom, lepucolom. Jó, kezem. De tényleg csak fogtam, és mindenkit így kilőttem mindent úgy, ahogy van. De nem tudom, mi volt már. Ja, mert nem tudom, nem tudtam belépni a Community tabba, és akkor töröltem az összes modot, mindent. Egyedül a Streamlab maradt. Sorry, small Hungarian talk here. Yeah, no problem, Nintendo. Hungarian is actually the hardest language. I said this joke like 200 times. You guys are yawning on it, but you know, as the Pope said in Hungary, when he came to Hungary and he was greeting the people in Hungarian, and they were asking, Your Holiness, you speak Hungarian? Oh, no. But don't worry, in heaven everybody talks Hungarian because it takes an eternity to learn it. Yeah, it takes an eternity to learn it. Yeah. Pray for my mod. Yeah. Would be 8. Jesus. Okay, then I send you Ethereum. That's it. Ethereum is cheaper, you know. I just sent $50 worth of Ethereum, and you can send it right away where you want it. So I like send $52 or $53 should be covering your transaction fees as well. Yes, mod for you. And he was actually operating the chat good. USDT BEP20. I don't know how. I don't know even how to do that. No problem. I can cover the fees in Ethereum. So a few dollars, like $2 or $3, should be covering the transaction fees. I don't really. I was registered on Binance, but my registration got not deleted, but I have to re-verify myself, which I'm lazy to do. I had an account with Coinbase too, but the same issue. I did not re-verify myself. So yeah, December is slow. December is definitely slow. It is slow. But that's part of the game. Part of the process. It's just going down. Look at that. I don't have a target anymore because I'm out from the trade. My TP was right before the Asia low, so I'm just watching this one. I don't have an entry or a trade here, but dude, seems like it, you know, the next possible target would be down at 102-ish. Seems like that we're officially turning into a bearish session. I don't think it's going to recover from this to the midnight level during the London session. So 50 points down could be the next possible target. YM also going down. Gold is still struggling. That long hit me right in the face. Oh. Next target, previous month low. I don't even know. Where was it? Previous month low. Down there. You know, down there at 20,300-ish area. Why not? You know, if you go to the daily, let me put these away. Look at the daily chart. A beautiful swing level at 980. You know what? I think that would be the drawn liquidity. 980. Right there. That would be the final target. Actually, not even 971. I think it can go down there. It's super close. It's very, how far is that? It's very close. For NQ, it's just nothing. 184 points. It can do it, actually. It can do it. You will fight for your rights. Alright. I'll push you back. Next target, previous month low, yeah. Keep in mind today is triple witching day as well. Options expire. Oh yeah, dude, totally forgot. These options expiries can mess up the whole thing. That's true. Yeah, that's true. That's true, best DJ in town. I totally forgot that. That can bring some volatility, but you know, for which direction? Yeah, and more rate cuts. We're expecting more rate cuts, right? In the future. That was it was all about. Man, oh man. Excuse me. How far is this gonna go? Anyway. Recession, yeah. Yeah, they say officially next year is going to be officially recession. Not as fast as people wanted. Yeah. 3%. They're just doing the old ways, you know, and it's just, I don't think it's going to work for too long. Yeah, maybe. Good morning, Pips Hunter. Hey. So far okay. I was fighting a little bit with a few trades here, but I was in a bit of a drawdown. Now back to a bit of a profit, so more likely a break-even day. I'm like, how am I doing? $64 in profit. Trying to push this take profit trader evaluation account too. But yeah. Trump the fall guy. He's gonna be the fall guy. They're gonna blame Trump for next year. We all know it's not, but are they going to? I think everybody's going to blame Trump for next year, right? That's the plan. Yeah, they will blame him. Yeah. Time for short. Yeah, I'm watching this too. Moose, I'm trying to decide what to do, but I'm still looking for a price to go a little bit higher before I jump into a short. For the recession, they're going to blame Trump for next year's recession. But who cares about that? I want to know what the heck is going on with the drones at New Jersey. That's what's happening in social media. Everybody's, posting videos about everything on the sky. So, anyway. He's not in charge of the stock market. Well. Well, he's not. I don't know. I'm not going to go into politics now. The other day, we spoke about the possibility that the tariffs will affect the market badly in the US. What do you think? Well, I tried to look for a good answer. I'm not good in economics. So, the change in the tariffs, well, it should be good, I think. More earnings, people have more money to spend. But it's really, obviously it could go both ways, and I really should read more about economics, or fundamentals. I really don't want to answer. I don't have a good answer for you. But in my perspective, I think it should be good for the markets and the economy. I don't know, Joalma. Or JT. I have to remind myself. I don't know. There are nuclear drones searching for lost items. Okay. I love politics. Tell me, always on the spot. Okay, in secret, I do like politics, but I'm mostly focusing here on my country, what the things are happening here. Crypto will pump enormous. JT sounds super American. All right, JT. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, Wall Street Map. I also read his stuff sometimes. We're cutting rates not because of the economy. The Fed is cutting rates because of the U.S. government cannot. Let me put this out on the screen. The Fed is cutting rates because of the U.S. government cannot afford the interest payments on the 36.2 trillion in debt. We have a 2 trillion budget deficit. We are paying over 1.2 trillion in interest on the debt. Rates at zero and refinancing national debt would solve most of the problem. However, inflation would probably skyrocket above 10% per year. Jesus, you guys can't see it because of my face is in the way. They probably want inflation to go much higher. That inflates the debt away, but it causes insane amounts of financial damage to just about everyone else. All right, that's a very good explanation there. I like it. I mean, the explanation, otherwise not. All right, great. That's why I could dump. Guess you could be right. Analysis are in hindsight. No one said this when market was just booming and market, yeah. So USD pumped over. Oh, I see. I'm gonna right be with you guys. I'm just going to get this transaction going on for subhand here. No, not this one. Okay. All right. Yearly candle. That's the reason why we're going lower. Could be, but right now, I'm waiting for a proper people are taking profits for end of the year and like banks, and that's also a kind of thing that used to happen, at times like this. All right, let me read the chat real quick because I'm still waiting for an entry here. And just a second, gold is not doing anything. Okay, so gold is officially dead. Look at the 5-minute chart on gold. Boom, it's done. It's not nothing. I'm looking for this to maybe take a continuation on short. So let me read. Okay, those economic issues were not there when we were making new highs. Yeah, the issues are gone. We can pump back up. Maybe that's a healthy correction. I see. Good morning, Dominic. Hey there. The depth was there when we were making new highs. The price 450, an institutional level. Premium prices was on NQ Dow. Why is that? Every people, because it's safe. And then just like gold. Well, who knows about? I mean, but you know, I gotta say that the U.S. I mean, the U.S. markets are just going up. Whatever happens, they just go up. You know, yes, there are some corrections, but at the end, they just tend to make new highs. You say, I save your account. Why? I just told you I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. You know. I am still just waiting. Not doing anything. What would Justin tell if you told him he saved your account? Which indicator? This one. This one is here. This is the power of 3 indicator, so it's not new. It's not new. Yes, I'm still gonna wait because I think it could still push higher, but I just don't know. Damn it. Everybody wants to be a mod, and you're gonna mute out each other for 2 days. Yeah, Dominic. Yeah. It seems like it still wants to drop. And I just don't have an entry I could take on this. Not yet, at least. 5 minute though, it looks cool, but you know, if this bullish candle, I mean, sorry, after this bullish candle at 350, we would have had a immediate bearish candle, not this one that traded higher. Maybe I would have taken it, but now I just don't like it. We have the equities open, of course. So I'm still gonna wait. Yeah, I pay good salaries for mod. And health plus health insurance. He was doing it for free. Yeah. Mental health. Hey Zach. Let's do election. I'm only, yeah, I do. I'm not saying I like politics, but I do follow somewhat the politics here in my country. But I was mod too. Then everybody was. Then Tom stopped us all. Everybody stopped being. Yeah, I just took away everybody as being a mod. No, we're not gonna do a poll on that one. No, we're not gonna do a poll. That's not how it works. You know. Seems like it still wants to go down. Below the 150, that's actually a nice round number there. That 150 level. I'm not going to scalp it because it could just bounce and I burn myself too much on these things. I'm here since the first. Oh yeah, definitely Dominic is here since the very, very, very first times. I'm proud. No, I'm proud of you, Dominic. Dominic is actually someone who showed his path from technically, I mean, not zero, but in trading from scratch, and now he's buying car, refrigerator, you know, stuff around the house, and all that stuff is being bought from payouts from prop firms. And that is an awesome progress. So I'm the one who should be saying that. Dominic is here since the very first days, almost like. Yeah. Give us a winning trade a day and I will even elect you. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. And it's going down. Just going down. All my people becoming politicians since we brought down dictator. Oh, okay, Zach. Well, I guess that's a huge involvement in your home country, right? As much as I've known about that guy, he was pretty much a bad person, or he still is. So, makes you a generational debt. A generational debt? Don't give me that kind of trade, or anyone. You see, and that's why you guys don't get to be mods. That's why it happens. This is the reason. Looks like 100 is the next target. No bounce for now. Actually, when I look at this one closer, it was almost like, well, not a perfect one, but almost like a very shorter block here. Reacted to that level, but I thought it's gonna break it, you know, up to 211, but nobody's taking anybody's place there. Free trade. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I can actually prove it. Position and orders. No orders, no positions. I'm flat. Completely. Waiting for a possible entry. That's all. As for payout, I'm stupid. Did not journal. Unknown metric has been made. No history of profits, losses as without having 5-8 winning days. One was 12. Hey, but dude, ask for a payout. That is awesome, Dominic. Did you ask it from Apex? That is great. Congratulations. Instruments help you. The instruments that help me for trading. Well, you see all the instruments I use. I use Quant Tower. I use Trading View. That's it. Nothing else. On my test account, you're up 7,500. At least it works. At least it works. But that's good. How to bring down the dictator who took all the mods down. I don't know who you're talking about, Tommy. I don't know what you're talking about. Can you check ES and NQ? ES and NQ. They're doing the same, right? Look at, this is ES, this is NQ. ES, NQ. Identical. Oh yeah, I checked it. I'm working on it, Subham. I'm working on it. First, I have to transfer Ethereum. So it's already under the works. That's why crypto makes my life a little harder. But it's on the way. It's in the works. It's permanent. Yeah. In our country, here in Hungary, the leader is permanent until he or she dies. So that's how it works in Hungary. It's until, you're the prime minister until you're dead. That's it. That's a traditional Hungarian thing. Our prime ministers are forever. Just like in North Korea. Yeah. And I'm not even joking. I'm mostly serious about this. Our current prime minister is gonna reign until he's dead. That's it. Yeah, something like that. Maybe move to a presidential status. Yeah. I leave you guys permanently. No. No. We'll be doing next time a mod election poll on the stream. Anyway, I just don't have an entry, but I'm still gonna wait for a possible level here. It has been 54 years, 30 years the father, then 24 years the son. Exactly, Zach T. It's not not exactly the same, but very much likely almost the same here in Hungary. The thing is that they changed the law and everything. So right now, our prime minister can do whatever he wants. He doesn't even need the parliament or the opposing party or anything. He pretty much has everything in control. So and when there is an election in Hungary, usually it's like the dead people are also voting, and people suddenly outside from the Hungarian border, so from other foreign countries, declaring to be Hungarians, all of a sudden gets to vote, and so dead people, usually there's a lot of dead people go to vote when there's a election. So if you go to Robin's leaderboard, I will definitely give you admin. Hey Charles, what up? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Yes, exactly, Camille. Here in Hungary, this is the case. So nothing is gonna change. Nothing is gonna move away our prime minister. He's gonna be here until the end. So traditional, you know. These are traditions. Come to Robin's Cup. Hedging? No. Robin's group hedging? No. No. Yeah, there is an opposition. Yeah, there is. There is an opposition, but they have nothing. They have shit. They have no rights. What they have is shit. They can do whatever they want. Basically, they go into the parliament. The opposition parties go into the parliament, and so there's one side where the opposition party is, and the other side at the parliament is empty. Literally empty. Nobody is there. They're just talking to thin air because nobody is sitting there in the other side. They don't even so the leading party doesn't even go into the parliament anymore because everything is in one man's control, and that's it. So they don't even go there. I mean, the leading party, the opposing party goes in, but nothing. I mean, anyway. Opposition leader, yeah, there is one. There is a few leader on the opposition, but anyway, it's not no way. Venom goes with you. Let's go. Awesome. So what do I vote for? I'm voting for the opposition party. That's all I can tell you. Obviously. Do you trade with Tick Trader? Yes. Not currently. I'm currently this morning focusing on Take Profit Trader and the MyFundedFutures account. Tick Trader has now maybe, I would just say they have been around since a few years. They're paying out people. They have a direct funded account as well. So it sounds like your country adopted the Westminster. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, ICT or Larry Williams? None, I would say. So after all, Tom, you did free the politician. Oh yeah, I did. I couldn't stop it. It came out of me. Yeah. I wouldn't choose ICT, or I wouldn't choose Larry Williams either. By the way, my son here in France should take one semester in another country, and he got approved for Hungary. So he's got it. Awesome, Zach. That is cool. That is awesome. That is awesome. Ben Johnston. Good morning, Bob. Sarah, hey there. What size Take Profit do you take? 50k and 150k as well. ICT lost Robin Cup. It's still not over. We have 10 days, right? The system is visible. Friend of friends. Oh yeah, definitely. Like, by some miracle, and I know it's just a huge coincidence, but the richest people in our country is the best friend of the prime minister and his son-in-law and his daughter and their families. So I know it's just a coincidence because there must be very smart people. So, let's just give them that benefit of a doubt that I think is just a coincidence that somehow the best friend of the prime minister is the richest man in Hungary, and his son-in-law and his daughter and his family. So I'm guessing it's just a coincidence. So no problem with that. It's absolutely it's not a coincidence. It has to be. I'm trolling. Of course, it's not a coincidence. What up, Bob? Nothing, nothing special. We're just waiting for some possible entry here. It looks like it wants to take the 21 100, but I'm just scared to jump in right now. connect Zekti with some good people from Budapest, so they will take good care of his son. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry, I thought the Prime Minister's son. Yeah, oh, definitely. Hey, Zach, by the way, really, Zach, if you want, I can help you. You know, if you guys need some guidance or help with some places, accommodation, whatever in Budapest, hit me up with an email. I can help you out. I mean, no promises, of course, because I don't have all the connections. But if you need any kind of guidance or direction, whatever, just hit me up. Okay, I'll be happy to help. The whole European system is yeah. Bit like America. Most of the Chinese parliament are billionaires. Yeah, no surprise. Igen, voltam már. Voltam. Yeah, definitely. If Zach, if you have any kind of questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help if I can. I was reading some messages on the phone. Definitely, yeah, Zach. So let me know. I can gladly help you out if you need any guidance, need some answers, or look for some whatever place or anything. Just, happy to help you out. Nice, Sarah. That's cool. If any one of you guys are visiting Budapest, let me know. It would be awesome to meet up with some people from the stream. Have a coffee or something. I mean, I'm not in Budapest. I don't live in Budapest, but for me, it's just 40 minutes with car, and I can gladly go. Okay, so far, still nothing, and looks like might want to go lower. If I look closer at this 5-minute candle, this is like a bearish engulfing situation on the 355, so that's cool, but I don't usually use this. Maybe I should have. I'm not feeling a FOMO, but look at this. The 5 minute here had this liquidity picked up on that wick. Bearish engulfing. Could have been a possible sell sign right there, but too late, I guess. I'm gonna be still watching gold if it wants to pop higher. But look at the 5 minute chart on gold. Wow, it's terrible. And we have a 5 minute. We have a 5 minute fair value gap higher. Yeah. 15 minute. How's the 1 hour looking? Still looks good. Did you make payouts nowadays? No, unfortunately not. As I said, I burned myself totally down at the end of November. So in December, I had to start all over, basically. I had payouts in November, but I think, unfortunately, December... not sure. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. But, you know, can we go down to... yeah, I think we can. I think we can. We still have time from the kill zone, so obviously, yeah, every chance is on our side that we can. I'm not in the trade, so careful if you guys want to scalp it. You know, maybe with the 1-to-1 with the proper risk, then maybe you can jump in. But yeah, 101.75 on the micro. There could be some early profit taking below 110. So if I would go short, I would be taking profit around 110 area. You know, it can bounce and squeeze some shorts. But it's just not my type of trade right now. I'm actually watching gold, but still waiting. Oh man. Um. Nothing is happening. All right. Perfect full port scenario. I'm not going to do that. Two people done Asian London's whichever is higher turtle soup. Yeah. 28,000. Yeah. Yeah, we still have Asia highs. Everybody wants to go short. I think so too. 10% is going to go long. Yeah, we have news, but not like super difficult news today. Oh man. This is just a slow grind here. Still waiting for gold if it would pick up. and go higher, that would be great. Looking at the 1 hour, you know, I think gold looks good for going long, taking out those highs at 26.40 and even higher to 51.7, just like that. So I like to see some bullish movement on gold. On NQ, I don't really care if it goes down, takes out that 100. I just don't have an entry, so I just can't push it if I don't see an entry. As much as I like to, I just can't. Please flush. Yeah, it's pretty much nothing is happening. Nothing. They might saving the fireworks for a New York session. All right. Okay. Oh man, it's just boring. Yeah. What is the longest people in here have hold onto their funded accounts? I was having a funded account almost for 3 months. Almost. I made 2 payouts. 2 payouts, and I was holding it for almost 3 months. It was on Bulenox, by the way. Oh. 3 months. Oh, 3 months, you too. Okay. Yeah, so I never got to 3 payout from the same account. Once I got very close. Once I got like a few $100s away from the third payout, and then I got full tilted. Because I was copy trading, by the way. It had to do it had an issue in my mind with that. So I was much more stressful because I was copy trading the account. I was a few $100s away from my third payout, and I blew the account. Full tilted. So that was bad. Player XFA yesterday with 3K profit. Oh, Matt, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. Sorry. All of your profits in the end of November. Yeah. How much was it? Yeah, sure. I mean, I wasn't all that too much, but I had, I had 2 Bulenox accounts that were having already one payout each. So I already got payouts from those Bulenox accounts. So those 2 accounts were somewhere around $2,600 each. So somewhere around the threshold, ready to build it up, you know, for another payout. So if those accounts would have stayed alive somehow, or I did not go tilt, then I could have been having another payout, at least 2 more payouts in December. But those were around $2,600 after payout each. So 2 times. And there was also 2 Apex accounts somewhere around $52,000 because those were having payouts as well earlier. So overall, those were my main accounts which were profit-wise were doing good. And I was like, okay, in December, if I can just slowly build up $1,000 or $1,500 on each of those accounts, I can have a few payout, right, in December. Instead, I copy traded and I burned all the profits. Actually, I blown the accounts at the end. So that was the end of November. And so immediately I started to get some more funded accounts, and I started from scratch in December, basically. So, and I also got funded with MyFundedFutures, and I got down to a drawdown, almost lost the accounts. And in the past 2 weeks, I'm slowly trying to recover those accounts. So it's a little bit hard. Difficult month for me. 28th November gap. They still need to get filled. Oh, I see. Well, Anyway, I will try my best. So, Bassett, hey there. Tapping. I was $60 away from passing. Oh, 150k ended up blowing. That's the worst thing, you know. I mean, I happened to me as well. Actually, it happened to me like once I was, I don't even know, like $8 or $10 away from getting a payout on Apex. It was earlier this year. $8 or $10. I was so nervous. It was one of the first payouts I wanted to receive from Apex, and I blew the account. Long story short, but it was like $10 away, and I was like, ah, sure, no problem. I just jump in, you know. Got to a drawdown of $100 or 50 or 8. I don't know. Was it $150, $80, and then the second trade, of course, I'm sizing up. No problem. I can make $100 in like 5 seconds. Immediately, boom, down to 300 drawdown or 500 drawdown. And so on, boom, sizing up, and I blow the account. And I was like $10 away from requesting a payout. Miranda, hey there. Sure, I have accounts that I passed, but I do not wish to activate them right now. Instead, I plan to pay the monthly fee. Yeah, sure. Is there a specific timeline by which I need to make payments to avoid losing? No. If you pay the monthly fee for the evaluation account, you can have it as long as you want. There's no specific date or deadline if you passed it. So you have to request it manually until you pay the monthly fee for the account. You can have it as long as you want it. Not submitted. Yeah. So you can just, you know, have it as long as you want it. No problem. No problem. $40 or live brokerage on Blue Sky and blow. Oh, yeah, Delzik. Hey, Mr. Pipster. Yeah, it's all because of, you know, all this stuff goes on in our head, you know. The lesson that handling the downside of the trading journey much more important than the upside. Exactly, Bassett. No problem, Miranda. No problem. You're welcome. Closed 21.10. Oh, you did right. Yeah. So if I would have been in a short, which I wasn't, I would have been taking profits somewhere around here at 10, because there could be a bounce, you know, some early profit taking, and, you know, it can just bounce up. Sooner or later it should be taking out, I think, this level, but or it can create relative equal lows. But that's why I usually take profit. If I'm short from somewhere up there, I don't want to wait until it gets down there. I take profit like 10 points earlier or something. Getting the last 100 is mental. Oh, definitely, La Rebecca, absolutely. And I still feel it in these days as well. But I'm getting closer to a good payout level. I tend to do stupid stuff. And it's only in our head. You know, it's not the markets. So it's definitely frustrating. Good money just trading one micro as the max position. It takes a lot of time. First of all, I would say if you have like multiple accounts, like you have like 4, 5, 6 funded accounts, for example, 50Ks, and you also have to build up to the threshold. So that means your safety threshold has to be somewhere above $2,600. Now, if you're aiming for $1,000 above the threshold, making $1,000 with 1, maybe 2 micros is absolutely possible in a month. It's absolutely possible in 1 month, which means there's multiple phases you have to complete. You have to build up accounts above the safety threshold, and that's going to take like 2 or 3 months. That's what I'm doing now. You have to build up to the threshold, and then when you're above the threshold, you know, very low risk, you know, trading with 1 or 2 micros at a time maximum, it is absolutely possible to make $1,000 per month per account. I think it's absolutely realistic. Now imagine that you have 5 accounts and you're rotating them, and sometimes copy trading maybe 2 accounts. Now there's an absolute good chance that at least 1 or 2 accounts are going to get to a payout in every single month with very, very, very low risk. With low risk, but it takes time. So for all this to be done, you need like 3 months on average, I would say. But it's a journey. But getting tilted in personal account is sometimes as yeah, on a personal account it really hurts. Last time I traded on my personal account, I didn't have too much money. And my last saved money was $2,000. Just $2,000. And I put that into a personal account. And, you know, that one really hurt me. So that I lost more, much, way more on trading personal accounts back in 2017, 18, 19. And when my last $2,000, I put it to that personal account and I was losing, it was like hell. It was like hell. Even when I was down only $300, $200, I was feeling the pain. Like, damn it, I'm down $300. How am I going to get it back, you know? Michael, see you in New York. Thanks for being here. So you see, there's the bounce here from 10 to 28, almost 20 points. It bounced up. That was a real pain. So, learn my lesson. Yeah, London move is over, I think, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's over. So, just like Bassett, I'm going to call it here as well. There is nothing more interesting. Maybe, you know, the 100 level could be broken. I think there's a good chance. But I think we're done. I think we're done for the London move. The majority of the move is done. Good luck for you. If you are looking for the 100 level, it has a good chance to go down. I'm not going to try to go for it. Thank you, everybody. I'll be back for the New York session today. So, yeah, that's it. I'll be back for New York. See you guys later. If you would like to support, please use my codes and links. It's the same everywhere. So, thank you so much for the support. And that's it. Paying 1 micro average, trying to build up slowly. Yeah, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. I mean, good plan. But be careful, yeah. JT, thank you for being here, and thank you everybody. God bless you all. See you in the New York session. Cheers, everyone.